DUNU officially has released their Falcon Pro. It is a new dynamic driver earphone. Obviously, this earphone is going to be another upgrade to the original Falcon. Now, the thing here is that DUNU, for a while now, they've been releasing a bunch of IEMs, they've been releasing a bunch of cables. They've just been on the forefront of releasing things, and this is another release from them. I'm beginning to worry whether they are losing their touch because DUNU, right from time, don't release many products in a year. They kind of like release one or two, but no, the past few months have just been releasing products after products after products, and it's just what it is. Um, so let's go over this. So this latest model is another single dynamic driver like the previous on the original DUNU Falcon. Um, the cable connector for it is MMCX, not 2-pin. Many people don't like MMCX like myself, but it is what it is. Um, it does have a more updated driver generally, so it's a little bit better than the original. And the cable this time around it's coming with has interchangeable plugs, 2.5 millimeter, 3.5, 4.4 plugs on the box, so you are good to go, and you will be able to hook it up to any DAP out there on any music player. Falcon Pro is coming with a brand new driver, and it's 10 millimeter in size, and it features a DLC dome, which is fully independent, with a fully independent surround, and very high magnetic flux density motor design. This model is quite interesting in its build overall. If something that you are more or less inclined to check out, it does also come with tuning filter, which many people may be interested in, obviously. With 3 different nozzles, the Falcon Pro changes between balanced, mildly V-shaped sound with its reference nozzle to improve the clarity, and there is also a transparency nozzle. There is also a transparency nozzle. Then finally there is an atmospheric emission nozzle. So it has different nozzles, like they're calling it these weird names for people to check out. The idea here is that they want the one that is bassy, the one that has more mids, and the one that is quite bright. So you will have to find the nozzle that suits your taste out of these 3. Most people don't like bright sounding earphones. Like myself, I'm not a bright sounding earphone guy, especially when it's not tuned very well. That's why you have different nozzle. At least it should be able to allow you to get the best out of the earphone. In particular, sensitivity on it is 112 decibels, impedance 26 ohms. It's relatively well made. I don't think we have any issues in regards to build quality for this set or this model. It has a stainless, it has an aluminum steel design, so it is well made, obviously. Like I said, it does come with changeable plugs for your DAPs and your music player, so it's well made. The cable doesn't look bad. It's the 6N silver plated OCC cable. It's nothing special. The cable is not like mind bending in terms of build quality, so I'm not really expecting for this to be amazing in any regard whatsoever, but it is what it is. At the moment, It is priced at a little bit over $200, about $220, 220, 230, depends on where you're picking it from. Will it do well in sales? I don't know. I really don't know. I can't say just yet. But the one thing I can say is that it looks quite good. It really does look quite good. Um, and eh, I may not be the biggest fan of the shell design. I feel it needs a little bit better look to it, but it is what it is. It really is what it is. And that is it. So do check the link in the description that I will leave. If you want to check it out, subscribe, and I'll see everyone next time.